Himalayan salt bath therapy to cleanse all negative energy from your body. Our lives are fully dependent on our vibrations. You've probably heard that we all emit a different vibration and our energy is influencing us as well as the others around us. It is simply how we function. So this means that many people nowadays are unhappy reflects the way that we pick up low vibrations and continue to emit them. And most of us don't usually pay too much attention to how much we let stressful factors harm us, so we become spiritually and ultimately physically damaged. So this is very important for all of us, and we all must learn how to heal ourselves internally. Yes, we all know that we can't isolate ourselves from the people around us. We must learn how to be a source of positive vibrations. So you should remember this: when you interact with others, you can feel their energy and they can feel yours. You can help yourself reduce the negative effects of negative vibrations. You can rid yourself of the clouds in your mind, your fatigue, your worries and illness, and all the other harmful effects that continue to bring misery to your life by salt water therapy. How to use salt therapy to remove negative energy: natural cleansing. Some medical experts claim that we can benefit greatly from getting used to some ancient spiritual practices. You should know that there are many different practices that exist only for our benefit, but because we are always busy taking care of our comfort in our existence, that we forget to let ourselves live. And some of these practices have gone under the name of alternative medicine or such, only because the science behind it is not as tangible as the science behind traditional medication. And the best thing about these homemade and natural remedies is that they are completely safe and they can't harm us. One of the best ways to get rid of all negative energy is to use this salt water treatment. It's the best cleansing method for our spiritual healing. And when you read the two ingredients, salt and water, well, you might think that this method is ineffective. But think about it. This natural cleansing method contains water, which is more than 60% of our bodies, and we use water to cleanse our organism. And salt, a mineral which is known for its capability to extract. So when you combine these two powerful ingredients, you will create a powerful combo which will help you remove all negative energy from your body. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.